Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. If you also want to try the recipe of lemon pepper chicken, then definitely try this recipe. It's so delicious that you will enjoy eating it very much, and the way of making it is also very easy. So let's start its recipe. So here I have taken half kg chicken. So now we will add the juice of one lemon in this chicken. In many videos 2 to 3 lemon juice is suggested, but we should not add that much lemon juice. This will give a slight bitter taste to the gravy and the gravy will become very sour. So we will add only 1 lemon juice. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of green chili paste. Now add 1 cup of whipped fresh curd to it. After adding curd, we will add 1 spoonful of garam masala powder, 1 spoonful of black pepper powder and salt according to our taste. Now mix all these spices and curd well with the chicken, and after mixing all this well with the chicken, keep it for marination for at least 1 hour so that this chicken gets soft and cooked quickly. So it's been an hour since the chicken was marinated. So now we will take a pan here. Add 60 ml oil in the pan. Now I am adding whole spices into it. I have taken a bay leaf, 1 anise flower, 1 piece of cinnamon, 10 to 12 black peppers and 2 green cardamoms. Fry all these spices for 5 to 7 seconds. Now we will add 2 spoonsful of chopped garlic and green chilies in it. Roast the garlic and green chilies until they turn light golden and all their rawness goes away. Fry them on a medium-high flame while turning them occasionally. So garlic and chilies are well fried here. Now we will add the chicken we had marinated. Though it has been 1 hour, we left it for marination. We will use this remaining marination gravy later, so keep it aside. Now we will leave this chicken in oil for 2 to 3 minutes to fry well from one side. Fry this also on a medium to high flame only. So after 2 to 3 minutes, we will turn the chicken and fry it from other side again on a medium to high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Here you must be wondering if you are not going to add onion in it. Then yes, we are going to make this gravy without onion, and it's going to be very tasty even without onion. So here you can see that the chicken has been completely fried from the other side and its color has also changed. So now we will add the marination gravy that we had kept. Additionally, we will add 3 to 4 spoons of water to it and mix this mixture and water well with the chicken. Now cover the pan and let the chicken cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that the chicken becomes soft. After 2 to 3 minutes, we will check whether the chicken is cooked or not. If we feel that the chicken is still a little raw, then add half a cup of water to it again and cover it again and cook on a medium to high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After cooking for approximately 5 to 6 minutes, the chicken is ready. We will also check it by spoon if it's cooked or not. Here you can see how well the chicken has cooked and become soft. Now we will add 4 to 5 round slices of lemon and 3 spoons of corn flour mixed well with the water. Now add 1 cup of water to bring it to a boil and cook the corn flour. Once it comes to a boil, we will turn off the flame and mix it well. Now add finely chopped coriander and 4 to 5 split green chilies to it. Here I have kept a little gravy. If you want, you can make it dry by burning the water. So you must also try the recipe, and if you like the recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.